Welcome to Lorex for Business, your trusted partner in security on your journey to success. We strive to bring innovation, growth, and support every step of the way. Explore partner-exclusive benefits like extended return windows, enhanced warranties, and hidden discounts tailored just for you. See what our customers have to say? Get ready to be rewarded for your loyalty with our exciting partner program. As your business flourishes, so do your rewards. Our team of dedicated account managers and technical support staff is here to provide you with the best support for your applications. Apply today by visiting pro.lorex.com. Join us as we continue to innovate, inspire, and set new benchmarks in our journey ahead. Kindly allow one business day for the review of your application to become a part of the Lorex Partner Program. Once approved, you will receive an email advising that your account is active and your partner account is set for you to start accelerating your growth. Join us today and let's embark on our journey to success together. For any further questions, please feel free to email us at sales@lorex.com.